My name is Ger. Here's my cupcake. It's always here when I'm awake. I like to sing a doomy song. It's better than wearing a thong. I like to dance to DDR. I go to raves. I am a star. I must obey the Taco Man, but not destroy Sim's master plan. Because I am Ger. What the G stands for, I don't know. And I got chocolate bubble gum and watch the Angry Monkey Show. If I could explode, that would be great. With bacon soap or moosey fate. It is the Erkins I represent, but I am tight with 50 cents.